When is the best time to replace my AC? Are you stressing because you might be due for an AC replacement? Don't worry, the wise guys are here to help guide you through the process. Here are signs that you're due for an AC replacement. Your system is over 10 to 15 years old. You're experiencing constant repairs. Your energy bills are higher than normal despite no change in AC usage. With summer rapidly approaching, now is the best time to consider AC replacement so you can have a cooling system that'll last all season and beyond. With Wise Guys Heating and Cooling in Cypress, Texas, you can rest assured that you've partnered with an HVAC contractor that values customer satisfaction. We offer expert solutions and financing options to ensure your new AC installation is as affordable and smooth as possible. Contact us today at 713-360-2413 to schedule a free consultation.